Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. For today's video, we are going to cover a quick and easy topic on how to pay contactless with Revolut. But before we dive into all of it, and if you are new to our channel, do not forget to hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our latest content. So I suggest you open the Revolut app on your mobile device, alright? And then you hover down to here on the card security option right here. So you might want to click on the contactless payments, and once you've hit that, you would easily check the option and you will have an instant access to pay contactless, all right? And also, if you're lost during the navigation process, I suggest you go here at the Revolut help section where it says how to make our Revolut contactless payment promotion, all right? So there's a lot of information for you to help here, and I suggest you read and understand all of it, okay? So they have a promotion right now. So as part of the Revolut contactless payment bonus promotion, it's offering a bonus when selecting a number of qualifying contactless payment. You know, if you are making a purchases via Google Pay, Apple Pay, or any other type of contactless payment, supported of course by Revolut. All right. So this is really helpful because I went here to check some information regarding about the contactless payment with Revolut. And that's it. That's a wrap for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.